We're making slime blindfolded. First, we have the glue. Okay, let's pour it in. Okay, now that we have that, let's see, where's the dye? Oh, wait, here's the dye. Wait, okay, there we go. Here's the dye. Let's just put it into our bowl, a couple drops. There we go. Now, where's our activator? Oh my gosh, I just touched the glue. Oh, it's right in front of me, okay. Okay. Oh, wait, let's pour some in. And now let's mix. I don't know, did I even pour enough activator? Or did I even pour it in the bowl? Oh, it feels like it's working. I think I did. I'm just gonna keep adding more. And let's see if there's any more dye, like anywhere. Oh, there's some dye over here, because I remember the other one I put over here. So let's just pour some in. Probably good. Let's just mix this up. Okay, I'm almost done mixing. I was just wondering what these are. I think I'm gonna take one. I'm gonna go with this one. Oh, is this Play-Doh? I don't think I'm adding that in. Once I've added that in, and it was a huge mess. It was so sticky. So let's just mix this up. I feel that there's activator over here, so I'm just gonna grab some of that. And okay, I'm done with the slime, and here it is. It's pretty stretchy. So now let's move on to like if there's like any sprinkles here. I'm gonna go with this one. There you go. And now let's mix. Okay, and